When we get ready to line up our rough cuts, before we do any major cutting, we want to make sure that we're where we need to be on the seams. And what we're trying to do is replicate as best we can the distance that we have in between each stitch row. So what we do is we just line the turf up next to each other and try to replicate that distance in between. And if you look here, that's pretty darn close to perfect. So you want to check your whole entire run. Now you can see here that it's a little off. So then what we can do, these are small enough that we can pull this in. You can use a kicker or one of the carpet stretchers to pull and lock that in to where it needs to be. And then once we've got it in place to where we're satisfied, the distance is correct, you can broom it up with your hand. And once that seam disappears, which I'll point it out because I know where it's at, right in here. But once that seam disappears and we're satisfied with the look, and then we can go ahead and cut off our ends and then get ready to glue.